What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today is another restock with me video, but it's a little bit special because it's a restock with us. I have my aunt here, Slimes by Kitkat.
Hey.
She has her own Instagram slime shop as well, so make sure you go follow her at Slimes by Kitkat. We are both going to be attending Slime Pop Austin, which is really cool. It's going to be
Sunday the 26th, so if you're in the Austin area, come check us out.
Yeah, it's gonna be super fun. If you're in the Texas area, period, come check us out because it would be a lot of fun to meet you. We're gonna be selling collab slimes together, and then Kitkat's gonna be selling her own slimes as well. Some of her iconic slimes will be there. So if you've seen any of the videos where I review her slimes and if you wanna snatch some for yourself, make sure to come on through. All right, well, we're really excited to show you the slimes that we created together. So let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, the first slime up that we're gonna make is Cupcake Jelly, and I just need to make this like an ivory color. Normally I would make this the ivory color. I would just like literally just throw in ivory food coloring, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna improvise with a little bit of yellow and brown, and you know, that'll do the trick. It's very tricky though, so you know, you gotta do it a little slow. Each of the cupcake jellies for Slime Pop are actually gonna come with two charms, a yellow and a pink, or red, or it's not red, but it's like magenta cupcake. So it's gonna come with two, so you can get a yellow and pink, or a pink and a magenta, or a magenta and yellow, you know. Okay, so we thought that I messed up the slime because I added a little bit more brown than I should have. At least that's what I thought. So I went ahead and I activated the slime just so I can, you know, take it out of the mixer and start over. But it turns out that once I activated it and it got bubbly, it's the exact color I want. So we're just gonna go ahead and roll with it, and we're gonna turn it into our jelly. Okay, so now my aunt's gonna add in the scent. We're using a buttercream scent so that it smells like cupcakes and frosting and stuff, so
Yum.
I think that should be enough for now, we'll see.
Smells delish.
Alright, so now we're gonna add our snow in. For the jellies, I like to add a mixture of activated snow with like a little bit of water plus like dry snow as well. Okay, the snow is in. Let's mix it up. I'm pretty happy with how jelly it is, right?
It looks really good. It feels great too.
Yeah.
And
I don't know why it's so out of
delicious.
focus. Why? Oh, it's focused on yours, I think. But it looks good.
Yeah?
Let's add some sprinkles.
Ooh, fun.
Alright. Alright, so we want a little bit of foam beads at the top, but the rainbow foam beads were kind of dull that we have, so we're kind of making our own blend. Kitkat's kind of just layering them up. I feel like we should do more pink and blue then. Those are like the most eye-catching, I think.
Ooh, look how pretty on the side.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
I have a love-hate relationship with foam beads.
Yeah, they go everywhere. Okay. That's gonna be so cool when you pour it in here. That was so cool. Alright, now we're gonna mix that up. She is a beauty. Alright, all the cupcake charms are in. Now it's time to put the slime in. Alright, so we're gonna mix these three different scents. This is gonna be a banana pudding. DIY clay slime. This is gonna be the second slime for our slime collab, so it's pretty cool. Alright, so we have all 3 of our scents in there. It smells really good. Let's mix it on up. Almost forgot about the lotion. My fingernail looks bruised or something, but it's literally brown food coloring that I got under my nail. That's so annoying. I hate when that happens. Alright, so we just added some foam beads because this is going to be a DIY clay slime, but we wanted to have some texture as well. We're going to mix that in. Alright, so KitKat is cutting out the clay layer out of yellow Daiso clay. Oh, it kind of looks weird on screen. It looks like brown. Gold. Yeah, goldish, but it's yellow. And we're going to be layering it at the bottom of this container here and then putting the slime on top so y'all can mix it in yourselves. And this is the slime that's going to be coming on top of the slime. I mean on top of the clay. Has a little bit of foam beads just for added texture. And it is perfect. Alright, so we have the banana Fimo slices here for banana pudding. And we have the banana charms. It's like a little bunch of bananas, so it's super cute. But we're gonna be originally putting this on top of the slime, but I think y'all would have more fun mixing it yourselves, so we're gonna include a little bag with these in there so that you all can add them like for a video on Instagram or something. Alright, what do we find?
Palette cases!
Yeah, so we're doing a bunch of slime palettes for Slime Pop. Really cool. This is the only way that you're going to be able to get Chanel at the show because she won't be there. So, you know, gotta snatch a palette. And of course, gotta snatch up some clay. I think the only one I'm running low on is the black one and the yellow one. They have these cool little clay molds here. This one's like a sushi, chocolate bar, waffle cone, cupcakes. Alright, we have some freshly made Chanel number 2 here that's going to be going into the palettes as well. This is the only way that you're going to be able to get Chanel at the event because I'm not selling slime like my own slime, I'm just selling the collab slime. So if you want to snatch the queen, gotta get a palette. Alright, so Chanel's going to come on this side and y'all, it's like a good amount of Chanel. Look at that. And I'm going to put it in this 6-ounce container here. You're literally getting 6 ounces of Chanel in this palette. Plus the other slimes, there's gonna be 3 other slimes in here. So that's a bargain for 15 bucks. This is amazing. Alright, so this is gonna be for our slime palette. It's gonna be like a Candyland slushy slime. You can go ahead and mix it. KitKat had this clear slime sitting. So we were like, let's use that for the palette. So we added some slushy beads, you see? And some iridescent glitter. And we're gonna add a bunch of candy charms into it as well. And it will be a part of our palette. So now I'm packing up the Candyland slush in the palette as well. This one we're gonna top off with some candy charms to make it look super cute and colorful. It's a nice slushy slime. So KitKat's putting the charms in the Candyland slush. They're candy charms.
Cute.
Awesome.
Now we're making Gummy Bear Crispy.
So we have the glue in our bowl here. We're gonna color this orange. We're doing my little color chart over here like I showed y'all last time for the last restock with me. And we have pretty much every color. So we are gonna do this orange here and it's gonna come with a bunch of Gummy Bear charms. It's gonna be really cute. Right, so I'm gonna add in the Gummy Bear scent. This one is gonna be a clear based crispy. So the bubble pops are gonna be amazing. These are the cute little gummy bear charms that we're gonna be adding on top to the slime. They're so like little and cute. So they're probably gonna put like 2 or 3 on this slime. We have more than this, but these are just what we've picked out so far. They're so cute. All right, check out that base. The color is beautiful. It looks gummy. So now all we need to do is add the good stuff like the foam beads and the snow fizz.
Snow fizz, add in. And I'm making a mess. And I have slime in my hands.
All right, snow fizz. That looks like a candied orange. All right, now we're adding in the micro foam beads. You gotta get it in the container.
KitKat likes to make a mess, y'all.
Keep going, we want a lot of these. This is your first crispy slime, right?
It is.
You've never made one before. Okay, let's stop there and then we'll add more after. All right, I think Gummy Bear Crispy is done. It's gonna look so cute with the gummy bears on top. What do you think?
I love it.
It's like gummy, creamy, crunchy at the same time.
I love it.
So this is gonna be rainbow ice. It's rainbow sherbet scented. And it's going to come in our palette.
It's my first foam.
Yeah, it's a full foam. Colors are so pretty.
It smells yummy.
All right, so we added a bunch of these rainbow glitters in there. We're gonna mix that in as well.
We have to be a little extra.
Gotta be extra. All right, and we have rainbow ice here. It's our full foam, scented like rainbow sherbet. This is also going in the palettes.
Listen to that. This is green apple butter. Scented, obviously, like green apple.
And it's gonna go in the palettes.
And it is so, so soft.
Alrighty, y'all, check out the palettes. They're all finished and completed. They look super cute. They're very heavy because there's a lot of slime in them. Has our little collab logo, which is adorable. We're only gonna have 20 of these for sale at Slime Pop, so if you're there, you gotta snatch. I am just in love with our palettes. They even have the names on the back. It's just so beautiful. All right, next we're gonna make a unicorn cake. It's gonna be a triple layered slime with 3 different colors, and we're gonna be scenting it like buttercream cupcake, strawberry milkshake, and cotton candy. This smells super good, all three together, so I'm really excited. Okay, so this is a cake themed slime, so we want more buttercream cupcake scent than the others. Next, some of the strawberry shake scent. And lastly, you know, unicorns love cotton candy, so that's going in as well. Maybe a little bit more strawberry shake. All right, now we're adding in dry instant snow. It's Snow Wonder. And it's not activated, like I said, it's dry. And we're adding it in before we color the slime because like I said, we're gonna divide this into 3 and make it 3 different colors. So let's just mix the snow in now and then we'll activate it. All right, the unicorn cake base is done. It's a really nice and smooth cloud cream. Now I just gotta develop, oh my God. Now I just gotta break it into 3 and color it. All right, so now we have all 3 colors made. Here's the purple, which is gonna be the base of the slime. Then we're gonna put pink in the middle and then this lovely tealish blue on top. This looks like nothing now that they're separated. And then of course, each of the slimes is gonna come with a unicorn charm. They're so adorable. Alright, so KitKat just packed up all of the unicorn cake. Super cute. And I just made this custom sprinkle glitter mixture here that we're going to sprinkle on top of it and then top it off with the charm. Just gonna sprinkle a little on there. And then pat it a little so that they stay. And then we're going to add the charm. Oh, that's super cute. Right?
Love it.
Alright, so this here is Twilight Jelly. You might have seen it a couple restocks back. This one was a little bit extra. I had extra left over, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna give away 2 2-ounce slimes to the first 20 customers who buy at Slime Pop. And for my slime, they're going to get a Twilight Jelly. It's really pretty, it's unscented. Color shifts from like a blue to a violet. And it's a really nice jelly with a bunch of holographic glitters in it. And then I'm gonna top it off with some holographic stars as well. Just reactivating it a bit. Aren't these so adorable? I love them.
So the first 20 people will get a peach cobbler from my shop. It's a cloud cream base and a jelly topping. Smells like peach cobbler.
It's so cute.
Smells delicious.
Mm-hmm. All right, so now we're taking the thumbnail. Let's see how long this is gonna take.
Hold on, I need to scoot back.
By the way, y'all, I am still gonna be doing a restock this Friday at normal time, 6 p.m. Central Time. My mom was just back here while we were filming and stuff and getting the slime ready, so thank you, Mom. Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe, of course. And yeah, we're really excited to meet you.
As Joseph would say, bye!
I hate you, I can't.